I'm afraid when I pour that in there, it's gonna spill all over the place. We're gonna have a problem, Cathy. We're gonna have a problem. She has never watched this show before. I don't know why I'm always talking to her like she's here, but you know, in my imagination. Okay, let's. So good, I'm impressed. Like always, Cathy, like always. Look at how delicious that freaking grilled cheese sandwich looks. You did good, Cathy. This thing works. We get a picture of Cathy. Cathy, will you sign my book? Cathy Mitchell has another hit. Miss Cathy Mitchell has put out another amazing product. Well, I don't know if it's amazing. I haven't tried it yet, but you know, her shit's pretty good. So let's get right into this because you guys know I love me some Cathy Mitchell. I wish she would come on my show. She won't because I'm just a girl making silly videos on YouTube. Cathy, I think you have another hit on your hands. All right, you guys.